coating to my 1987 Sea Ray Pechanga. This old girl still looks pretty good, but thanks to this coating, you're going to cut down my wipe down time significantly. I'm noticing that we've got no slick surface on the deck of the boat, but this has never happened before. We don't generally put wax on the boat because it's too slick of a surface, and without any kind of coating on it, that would be, the wax would make it too slippery to stand up here. But now having this and looking at the water just roll right off, that is amazing. So your ceramic coating, to my knowledge, I've never had anything on the boat like this before. It pulls right off.
It acts like it doesn't want to be anywhere on that surface. It just jumps right off. Cool. Well, we know it works on cars and motorcycles, and we wanted to show how it works in the marine industry on boats and big boats. We're going to be showing some of this product on super yachts real soon. And the benefit is that it keeps water, salt, debris, bugs off the surface for up to a year. So that's going to make maintenance a whole lot easier. All right, Ron, thank you. Ron from Delta Breeze Marine.
Thank you very much.
Look at the water just stand up off the stainless. Dirt and debris rinse right off.